Good evening students, we discussed 13th lesson, 161 page, American independence 1774 to 1789. England had developed colonies in the eastern part of North America. 13 states of colony had been established there. First one, and America is part of 13 colonies. Already we discussed in previous chapters. 13 colonies are one of the biggest colony to England. Most of them were occupied by the people of England who had settled in America to cultivate the land and run small workshops and conduct the trade in Native American lands. The English Parliament assumed the power to make law in American states, but the people of these states did not have the vote to Parliament. These American states people who are paid to taxes to government but not have the right to voting in Parliament. The Parliament often passed laws at the favor of English traders and factories at the cost of people in the colonies. The American colonies therefore raised the slogan, "No taxation without representation." No taxation without representation. In 1774, the representative from all colonies except Georgia, and they met the protest Congress and the colonies there. The Congress at Philadelphia, they requested King George III to restore the colonies their previous right. What the king's attempt to suppress the colonies lead armed clash between the British and American soldiers. The second Congress also tried to vote peaceful solutions. Whatever the British army and Native American army has to pass rising between these two parts because of the restored of their rights, the Americans. At the same time, surplus of the what they are demanding of the Britain through the Americans in Britain, and the surplus the what are they wanted that one by the force of the military one. So that's why they appealed the kings not to not to impose the taxes without their consent. The king regarded to this an act of rebellion. He declared the war on April 1775. The American finally won the war in October 1781 with the military assistance of the France. Help of the France, America war with the Britain army. In that war, America got winner. The War of Independence came to the end. So, however, the war came to end with the sign of the Treaty of the Paris 1783. By this treaty, Britain recognized independence of the 13 colonies. Like that, the America 13 colonies got independence from Britain. The recognition of the independence was adopted 4th July 1776. That's why today also America celebrated their Independence Day 4th July 1700. Most part 4th July. During the 3rd Congress at Philadelphia, Thomas Jefferson, who was the author of the Declaration, declared that all men are created equal right and they are endowed by the Creator with certain inalienable rights, including life, liberty, and pursuit of happiness. In 1789, the national government of the United States of America adopted a Republican Constitution. The division of power between states and central, that is called a federal government, was introduced in the effort of the Jeffersons. A Bill of Rights was adopted, the guarantee from the freedom of speech, religion, and rule of law were enacted. This paved way of the establishment of the United States of America they got their independence. Okay. Now French Revolution. From the French Revolution we can observe 1774 the Louis XVI was ascended the throne of the France. He was 20 years old and he married the Austria Prince Marie Antoinette. Upon his accusations, the new kings found the empty treasure. When he came to the power, totally France treasury was empty. Long year of war, they had drained the financial resources of the France. So most part France currency was accepted their expenditures in the war. That's why total wealth of the treasury was empty. Year 2, this was the cost of maintaining is an excavated court in the immense places of the Versailles. At the same time, immense is what are the palaces of the Versailles under Louis XVI. France helped the 13 American colonies again their independence from the common enemy of the Britain. So this part they need to support to America. What are the common enemy between France and America? So the war was entered for the debit to meet their regular expenses. Such cost of maintaining the army, the court, the remaining government of the offices of the universities, the states were forced into the increased taxes. Yet, even this measure would not have the sufficient because the taxes are increasing is the greatest problem to France Parliament. Why? The French society of the 18th century was divided into 3 estates. First one, see that from the picture of the 169. First estate, wealthy. Second one, nobility. Third one is big businessmen, merchants, court officials, and lawyers, peasants, artisans, small business, landless laborers, and servants. These are the third estate people. Most part in France, third estate people only paid to the tax to government, not paid by the first estate and second estate. This is the greatest problem in French. That's why the society estate take the part of feudal system and did and dated to back the Middle Age in France before 1789. The chart shows that how the system estate in the French society organized. Peasants were nearly 90% in the population. However, only small number of people are owned the land. They cultivated. About 60% of land was owned by the gantry, the church, and other rich member of the third estates. The member of the first and two estates did not, and they are clergy and artisans enjoyed the certain privilege acquired by the birth. By birth only they have the rights. What are they? Need not to pay to the tax to government. These are the most exemption from the paying of tax to state. The nobles further enjoyed of feudal privileges. These including feudal dues, they are extracted from the peasants. Peasants are obligated and render services to landlords to work in their house and fields, to serve their army, to participate in building of the roads also. Totally house maintenance, cultivation, the military, and the road layings, all this part are laid down by working only the third estate and pay the tax to government also third estate. Now the church was excavated share of the tax is called types. Churches also lay down the tax on the Frenchmen. The tax name is called types. Finally, the member of third estates pay tax to the state. These include the direct taxes called tiles, and the number of indirect taxes which are laid by the articles of everyday, the consumption of the salt and the tobacco. If you use the salt and tobacco, they also need to pay tax. So these burden of the financing activity of the state of third taxes was borne by third estate alone. This problem was completely compounded by the failure of the crops and increased the suffering of the few people who are during the taxes failure timings. So what type of difficulties they are lined up tomorrow we'll discuss. Thank you.